So let's just talk about what Tantra is in the beginning. So we're talking about consciousness. We're talking about higher consciousness. There's a lot of misleading information when it comes to Tantra out there. Basically, what it means is it's a way for us to transmute energy, right? So we need to make everything conscious or everything spiritual. So having food, having relationships, you can do this in a very unconscious way or you can do it in a very conscious way, and that's where the tantric practice comes in. So in this video, Alison and I are going to do a tantric exercise that you guys can practice at home. So this is a very cool exercise to get in tune with your partner, okay? You are gonna have a lot of feelings come up in your body, and it's very important to just get in that meditative state and really ground your energy, relax and get comfortable, and come into this practice with just an open mind. All right, we are controlling our sexual energy. That's what we're talking about. We are raising that kundalini up and down the spine, and we are channeling that energy to our partners without contact. Okay, that's what real Tantra is about. It's not about these crazy sex positions or a lot of that stuff on the internet. It's about transmuting energy and channeling specifically your sexual energy up the spine to other chakras, and for healing, longevity. I mean, there's many reasons you can do Tantra, and again, this particular exercise is going to help bring more intimacy into your relationships. We want to bring higher consciousness into our modern day, and a lot of people are just simply using sex as a tool for sense gratification, and this exercise is going to help bring more awareness into the heart, into the higher chakras, up to the throat, the crown, the Anya chakra. Everything is going to be expanded in this exercise. So, are you ready? Let's begin. So, alright, begin by taking a nice comfortable seated position. Connect with yourself. We're going to take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Remember, you are here for higher consciousness. We are one. Our partner is a mirror of our own energy. This practice begins by taking the hands about 6 inches apart and getting grounded with your energy. Again, staying focused on the heart, we're going to cultivate loving awareness. Begin by bringing the nice, gentle gaze to the heart center as you breathe in. Slowly exhale. If this hand position is not comfortable for you, you can take another hand position that is horizontal. Remember, no touching. This time, we are going to bring a nice, gentle gaze to our partners. Make a nice connection here, grounding your energy, staying focused. Remember, no touching. Can you feel those tingle sensations in your hands? Maybe a little warming in the heart chakra. Stay focused on your partner. This is so important. Bring that loving awareness into the heart. Cultivate more compassion with every single breath. Begin, inhale, and exhale. Remember, we are here for loving awareness. This last part of the exercise, we're going to have a closed eye, gentle meditation while we plug into our partner's energy. You are now connected to your energy field. Please connect with your partner. Send energy to their heart chakra. Heart-centered connection via the heart. Consciously send energy and loving vibrations to your partner. Nice big inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring more energy up the spine, into your heart, and then into your partner. Please, once again, inhale. Bringing more energy into the heart and sending that consciously to your partner's heart chakra. Please bring more loving awareness into this. Inhale. And exhale.
exhale into that heart space. This is the last part of the exercise. We are going to make contact in the most loving way. Are you ready? Slowly bring the hands together. Bring the eyes gently touching ever so gently. When you make contact, slowly intertwine the fingers, leaning forward all the way until the third eye, the Anya chakra, is connected. This is the full loop. Your energies are now one. Be mindful of this connection and this power you are releasing into your aura, into your energetic field. This is the last part of the exercise. Hold this energy for as long as you like. One more inhale and exhale. We're going to end this exercise with the Namaskar, bringing the hands to heart center, acknowledging the soul in you is the same as the soul in me. Namaste.